in property and money that a bride brings to her husband's house at the time of her marriage. It is practice which is widespread in the Indian society in one form or the other. At the beginning it was voluntary, but later on social pressure was such that only some could escape from it. The dowry represents the source of both joy and curse in the society. It is the joy to the husband and his relatives who get cash, jewelry, utensils, costly dress and furniture. But it is a curse to the bride and her parents who have to bear gigantic costs to satisfy the rational demands of the family of the boy. It is matter of immense regret that societies which were earlier free from dowry are gradually falling prey to it. जनाब वाला, जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि आप जितनी तरक्की कर रहे हैं और जितनी तेजी से कर रहा है और जान का घर बनाने की सोच रहा है, लेकिन जनाब वाला, अगर दुनिया की बात की जाए और जो बुराइयां हमारे समाज को खोखला कर रही है, उनकी तरफ तो कोई तवज्जो ही नहीं. If the demands for dowry ended with conclusion of marriage, there might have been some room for relief. But it is sad experience for many that the demands of dowry are extended for bride's parents. Even after the marriage of their daughter, she is sent to her parental home to bring more cash, ornaments, etc. as dowry. If she returned without dowry, cruelty and torture waits for her. When more pressure is put on the bride's parents, then their daughter has no other option but to commit suicide to avoid more insult and torture at the hands of the members of her husband's family. Now, I am going to share with you some solutions of this curse. It's a voluntary, social obligation, and legal right to fight against the dowry system. The evils of dowry system is to be removed at any cost. Due to public pressure, the government has enacted certain anti-dowry laws, but these have not produced desired results. The people in society need to act rationally if they want this evil to be removed. The lofty expenditure of marriage ceremony must be cut down. The practice of mass marriage should be encouraged for the sake of equality. Awareness campaigns should be conducted in the society, make the people realize that marriage is a sacred institute and dowry like us. Contribute a lot to the family. Young girls and the young boys need to take the proper follow, neither to take the dowry, not to give it. There are many in our society who cannot fulfill the important parts of dowry, and the result they have to bear the brunt for no crime of theirs. Ultimately, it's social inequity which can eliminate this inhuman practice and addition to existing anti-dowry laws. आखिर पर में अल्लामा इकबाल के शेर से
पाँच सौ MB बन गई है
बड़ा प्यारा